It's Jen again from Fabulous Paper Emporium, and I've got some exciting things to share today. What I have in front of me is the 2 Lumberjack themed paper packs that have been brought to us by Echo Park, and probably my all-time favorite paper pack, because plaid is rad, let me tell you. So I want to go through both of these kits. We have the 6x6 paper packs. There's some stamps, there's some ephemera, there's a whole lot of happiness going on right now. So we're going to dive right in. I'm going to start off with the little Lumberjack. Very cute for boy, girl, doesn't really matter. And we're going to, let's see, I'll flip through the 6x6 paper pack. And what we'll notice is the papers are identical in terms of the designs. They're just smaller scale. So for card makers, I think they tend to gravitate towards the 6x6 because of the ratio of the design is different than on the 12x12, which tends to be a little bit more scrapbook user maker friendly. So we're going to go through both of them. How about we do that? I'm going to this packaging is not working with me today, working against me. So I'm going to take off that cover sheet. The cover sheet is really what tells you everything that's in it. And so the first paper that we see here is also the first page in the 6x6. So as you can see, the scale is a little bit different, smaller for the 6x6, like I said, which works excellent when you're making cards, or smaller, maybe mini albums, folios, that kind of thing. It also works well if you're doing like an album and are doing a waterfall. Then you know that you're going to get more of the design in that waterfall than you would with the larger paper. So they work really well in conjunction with. So as we go through this, I'm going to set aside the 6x6 just for now. And we'll see the same typical things of a 12x12 paper pack, which are your journaling cards, which can be used for card making. It could be used for scrapbooking. I've included them in a folio once. And what I did with that was I cut all of these out. And then on the back, I covered it with some lined paper. So the person could easily just write little notes to themselves for their own purposes. You could also put pictures on the back, that kind of thing. So it's super versatile is the word that I'm looking for. So much paper. I'm sorry. Kind of getting a little bit ahead of myself. So obviously on the back side of this, we have a beautiful plaid. And then gotta make some little bit more room. There we go. Some awesome bears in plaid and black with some wood grain on the other side. Then on this, we've got plaid, and I used this recently in a waterfall. So that was the cardstock I used there with some axes. And then again, some larger journaling cards, and these would be 3x3 squares. So similar thing that you could do there, that could easily be made into a lovely waterfall, and I will likely be doing that a little bit later on. I can't wait to use this paper pack with some mountains on the back. Here we have like the night sky with all kinds of constellations, Big Dipper, Little Dipper. Beautiful. And then we have kind of like I guess an indigenous kind of feeling in terms of how that's laid out, but beautiful. Beautiful. Oops, I kind of bypassed the the cross sections of logs and things like that to pass that over to look at this beautiful gingham. And again, like, everything works so well together. You don't have to give it much thought. I mean, for me personally, the biggest challenge when I'm working on a project is picking out the paper and trying to narrow it down, because you always start off and you want to use everything. And there we go. There's a little bit of a tone on tone. If I bring it up, maybe you can see that. Little leaves, trees, that kind of thing. And then we have some bigger pieces. Bear cub, born to be an adventurer. Beautiful, with a lovely gray and black plaid on the back. I'm going to flip that over. And we've got some lovely sayings here. Loved dearly. Brave, camping out. It's awesome. And then we've got some teepees and arrows. And here we've got, I really like this paper. We've got little prints, I guess, of animals. Opossums, weasels. Why did I say those two first? Really, out of everything. There's moose, deer, bear, raccoon. But no, I went to the opossums and the weasels. I don't know why. And then we have a beautiful moose with some red trees, plaid, my favorite, and then some fish. So see, like, everything just goes so wonderfully together here. No matter which side you're going with, it all works in conjunction. So really easy to start a project if you need a few different styles or patterns. Then super easy to just kind of pick those through. And again, for the 6x6, you're looking at the exact same patterns. So we've got this, which we looked at, the lumberjack paper with the trees on the back, the plaid. Oops, I kind of tore that out of the book. The ones with the bears. Okay, this is not flipping very easily. With the wood grain, the plaid. So everything, same exact pattern, just scaled down. And for the 6x6, you actually get 24 sheets in the pad. So you're going to get 2 of absolutely everything. You do not get stickers with the 6x6. So that is, I guess, the downside. However, I have brought in as well the little lumberjack stickers. So I do have these sold separately for right now. The little lumberjack collection is sadly on its way out, unfortunately. So these will be at a special price when the website goes live next week. We're 1 week down. So that's pretty exciting. And then to go with this, we have this stamp set. And again, beautiful. It's got the teepee, the wood, chopping wood, looking good. Some really cute sayings. Channel the flannel with moose, bear. There's another bear up there with some trees and boots and axes and things like that. So again, designed to coordinate with everything that you see here. It's all in the same, it's all got the same feeling to it. And then when we move over to the Let's Lumberjack, it's really got the same style, similar color palette. So these could easily be used together as well. So if you had a little bit of this little lumberjack left over from previous projects, you could easily use the little pieces with the Let's Lumberjack collection. And so this one is new-ish. So I've got the 6x6, and then we have the collection kit, which is a 12x12. And with that, you get 12 12x12 double-sided paper, and you get the element stickers with this. So with the Let's Lumberjack, I've brought in the 6x6 paper. So again, same exact pages, same exact designs, just scaled down. And then we have the Let's Lumberjack. So let's open the Let's Lumberjack. Can't open this fast enough. Perfect. So we'll get rid of this top sheet and then we can get going. I'm going to set this aside, but I'll bring that back in a minute. So again, journaling cards that really tie in everything that you're going to see with, again, a beautiful red and black plaid. Some designer paper here, chopping wood, looking good. Baby bear, be courageous, with another beautiful white and black check. Some more wood grain, or not wood grain, the crosscuts of trees. More black and white, or my goodness, black and red, please, come on. Watch me saw, now watch me chop chop. It's always time to go camping. Adventure is my middle name. Some beautiful cards there. Again, some white, I guess, like kind of like a paneling type thing. The night sky again. So we see very similar feeling to the paper. Now, instead of bears, we've got moose this time. A lovely wood grain. A beard is really just a hug for your face. Sure, I guess we could go with that. So different sizes here, different, I love these little ones. These would work really nicely for like the front of a card or decorating the inside of a card. This white and black trees, buffalo plaid, my favorite. Some axes. We've got again the prints, the paw prints, because they wouldn't be footprints, paw prints. Got brown bear, deer, moose, cougar. Yep, all probably bigger than my handprint, so stay clear. Oh, that's really beautiful. Really like that one. With the bears, the moose. So Canadiana. And then we've got this lovely one with the black background. Really makes those colors pop. The beautiful feathers. Again, we've got another one with the prints. The trees with the wood background. Oh, this is a lovely one for camping with the lantern and axe. Another buffalo plaid. This really screams my name. And then we've got our lovely stickers at the back. I don't know if I actually showed you the stickers from the Little Lumberjack. So the Let's Lumberjack and the Little Lumberjack. My goodness, I'm not going to get my words straight today, I don't think. Here we go. The Let's Lumberjack is on the left. Little Lumberjack is on the right. And as you can see, color palette exactly the same. We've got the reds, the blacks, the whites, and then some of those gray and wood tones coming in as well. So certainly can be used all together to make a wonderful album. Albums can use quite a bit of paper. So this way you've got, you know, a plethora of patterns to choose from and everything goes together. So we've got the Let's Lumberjack, which will just have even the same journaling cards, just a smaller format. And again, the same thing here is we've got the same designs, just a smaller scale. And then the last thing I wanted to show you was, for this collection, is we've brought in the ephemera for the Let's Lumberjack. It wasn't available, sadly, for the Little Lumberjack, but that is why I brought in these stickers. Because the stickers aren't available for this 6x6, I figured they always go nicely with... maybe I should move some of this away. Otherwise, I feel like the paper might eat some of the tags. So we've got some lovely tags that could be made into tags. Again, journaling cards, decorating your folios, your albums, your scrapbook pages, you name it. It is so versatile, so versatile. In fact, I think I've got some plans in the works to work on showing you just how effective to use the ephemera pieces. And I've used them in some of my card making as well. So we'll try to, you know, just give you as many ideas as possible to show you just how versatile everything is and how it can work together. So this is the Rad Plaid Lumberjack series that we have that will be available come next weekend, which again, we're thoroughly excited about. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment, to reach out, and we are always looking forward to answering your questions and provide you with whatever inspiration you're needing. So I'm looking forward to seeing you again. I have more paper to go through, but I'm going to wrap it up for this particular episode as I look across this plaid-filled desk, and I'm just trying to be very, I'm very inspired by what I see. So I'm looking forward to creating something fantastic that I can share with you, and we can then work on together. Awesome. So hope you enjoyed this round. I will be back very shortly with my second video to go through some of the other paper packs that we have brought in. Awesome. So thank you very much. Hope you have a great day, and I will see you later. Bye.